Alright. Is the tank clean out? Camera right here. Alright. Tank lit up. Since 2015? 19 actually. It literally says right here 2019. You guys might know. I already showed you the other video. So alright, let's do this. Here we go. How was it? 15, that's when the paper was made in, but that's not when the toilet was in. It still was in 2000, it still is in 2019. From 2019. So it is from 2019. The date literally says right here. There's a stamp right there, so in 2019. 19, okay. It says right here, May 30, 2019. It literally said right there. Alright, let's put the tank lid back on. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's go. Somebody's in the restroom. There we go. Alright, it's in the video now. Let's do this.